Okay, let's go on the record on Dizer, please. This is cause number 2020 CR 2949, the state of Texas versus David Dizer. Attorneys, please make your announcements for the record.
Good morning, Judge Meza. This is Joshua Luke, Sandoval for the state of Texas.
Melissa Christian for the defendant, David Dizer.
Mr. Dizer is appearing by video conference from the Bexar County Jail. Go ahead and tell me your full name, sir.
You're muted, Mr. Dizer. You're still muted. There you go.
David Allen Dizer. Sorry about that, Your Honor.
That's okay. Okay, so we are here because the state has filed the motion to revoke your community supervision. State, can you tell me what, can you read your violation?
Judge, so I believe we had an agreement to withdraw and we were going to, well, no, I'm sorry. I'm
Yes.
getting mine confused.
No, you're right. You're gonna we're agreeing to withdraw the MTR, reform the underlying judgment to 2 years, and the state has agreed to tender a dismissal in the misdemeanor evading arrest case.
That is correct, Your Honor. We are going to be withdrawing on this case then.
Actually, if we're reforming,
Reforming.
he needs to enter a plea and then I reform. So you do need to read a violation, especially if you're going to dismiss the new number one. So he does need to. So I'm screen sharing the new number one.
Okay.
Very good. Violated condition number 1 on or about the 9th day of August 2021 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, David Allen Dizer, committed the offense of evading arrest or detention in violation of condition number 1.
Mr. Dizer, is that violation true or not true?
That's true.
Okay, state.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Is that the only violation? Yes. Okay.
Yes,
Is there a recommendation?
Yes, Judge. I believe we are recommending that the sentence be reformed for was it a year, Ms. Christian?
So it's an F3, right?
2 years is the
So
minimum.
we have to do a 2-year to do, and then giving Mr. Dizer credit for all the time he served, and I believe it is over 12 months.
Clerks, can I get a day count, please?
Give me 1 second, Judge.
So, Mr. Dizer, I'm pulling up the judgment of conviction in your case so you can see it. Back on October the 19th, 2020, I found you guilty of the 3rd-degree felony offense, count 2 of the indictment, assault, family violence, 2nd offense. And I originally sentenced you to 5 years confinement.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the recommendation is to reform to 2 years?
Yes,
Yeah.
Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
I do, and then, is that what you want to do, Mr. Dizer?
Yes, ma'am. And she was saying if I could go ahead, if it would give me credit for time served, what I've got in on it already, then absolutely.
Yes, so let me get the final day count from my clerk. Melinda.
Oh, I sent you a chat, Judge, but it is 158 days on the MTR, but he has a total of 435 days on this case.
Okay, so it's 435 that he gets credit for. Okay. I do find that violation of condition number 1 is true. I will grant the state's motion to revoke your community supervision, and I will reform the underlying judgment from 5 years to 2 years confinement in the Texas Department of Criminal Justice. You do get credit for the time you have been in custody. That's 435 days. There is also an affirmative finding of family violence in this case. And the state is going to tender a dismissal in the evading arrest case. I don't have it yet, state, if you want to send it to me.
Very good, Judge. Would I send that to you or would I send it to the county court at law, Judge?
Send it to me.
Perfect.
We will process it, sign it, and send it over to them.
Thank you, Your
And
Honor.
just for the record, Your Honor, it's case number 667072 out of County Court 12.
Thank you. I will sign that dismissal. Mr. Dizer, this is a plea bargain case because you agreed to the revocation. You also agreed to the punishment, which was less than what you had originally been sentenced to. So I treat it as a plea bargain case and you do not have a right to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
good
Your
luck.
Honor.
Good luck
Thank
to
you so much.
sir.
God bless you, ma'am.
You
God
too.
bless everybody. Thank you so much.
Take care. All right, I'll wait for that dismissal then.
May I be excused, Judge?
Yes, good to see you, Melissa.
Nice to
Thanks,
see you.
Ma-
Thank you, Josh.
Thank you, Melissa. Appreciate you.
Yes,
God
sir,
bless you.
Mr. Dicer. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Okay, so
Thank you,
I
Your
know
Honor.
that you're welcome, sir. On Jeannie Bloomster's case, Denny Keller, do I have paperwork, Bianca? I have David Garcia conditions, so
I'm done, Your Honor. I'm sorry. I don't mean to interrupt.
yes, you're done. Yes, sir,
Thank you.
you're
God
excused.
bless you.
You're welcome. Take
Thank
care.
you.
No paperwork yet on Keller. I don't know what the agreement is.
According to Jeannie Bloomster, it was alter and amend the conditions to restart the BIP program and do a jail sanction of the time that he's been on in custody.
That's correct, Bianca. I'm sorry.
So if I need to take a record of that, I need to do it before 11. But David Garcia, I have his conditions and I'm signing them. So he's excused. He should be released if he has no other holds.
And Judge, I need to be reassigned to go to the breakout room with my client again.
Okay. I don't mean to rush you, but I do have to log off at 11-ish.
Okay, Judge, well, if we have buy-in, we're not going to need a hearing or anything.
Yeah.
We're gonna
Okay.
We're gonna
We're
alter and
alternate
amend.
amending and withdrawing on him, Judge.
Okay.
So that's just paperwork. And then I just talked to Kyle. He needs to talk to his client. But otherwise, maybe we could move him. Kyle said he's moving.
Right.
And so I don't know if he's really got time to do it. So the state's okay with us moving it also.
I do have the offer, Judge, and if I could go in and talk to my client and relay that to him,
Yeah, absolutely.
maybe we could do it.
We can do it at
whatever you-
1:30.
If we could do it maybe some other day this week, we are moving.
Yeah.
And I'm going to be jacking with that all day.
Well,
Unfortunately.
I only would be concerned if the deal would result in him being released. So if he's going to be released somehow, then tomorrow would be the preference.
No,
No.
it's like a safe P or custody.
Okay, then that's fine. We can reset it. Yes, we
Okay,
can reset
great.
it.
Is there a date this week that you would prefer? Or would you like to do it next week?
We could do it tomorrow. We still have room for tomorrow.
Okay. Morning time, I guess.
We only have a morning docket tomorrow. Yes.
Awesome. All right. I will I'd be happy to go into a breakout room with him whenever. Pezza.
You're in room 3, Kyle. You just have to go there.
All right. Thanks.